Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for visiting with me. Today I am going to be working on my October daily, my continuous setup or whatnot. This is going to be a long video. I've pre-warned you. So please go grab coffee, snacks, craft with me, doing your own crafts. I have no idea, whatever you want to do. The reason why I think this video is going to be long is because I have an idea, but I have no idea how to put it together. So typical. And normally when I do videos like this, unfortunately the videos end up being like 40 minutes long. So I want to do two things today, and I don't know if I'm going to do the two in this video or end up splitting it. It all depends on how long I guess the first project takes. So here's what I want to do. We created this introduction page already. For the back, I was thinking that I could go to Pinterest. Let me see, I have my phone right here. That I could go to Pinterest and I can actually pull up searches for October dailies, challenges or whatever, photo challenge. I don't know if we want to do a photo challenge or we just want to do like an October challenge period. So you see how it comes up with like so many ideas. Well, these are photo challenge. I know there's things that does not have to do with photos. There's like different things that you could do. So basically I'm going to be doing my own, and I'm going to use the back of this page, which I think is going to be time consuming because I do not only want like a photo challenge, I also want like activity challenge to do throughout the month. It doesn't have to be every day, but I want to create like my own. So I'm thinking that I'm going to use the back of this to create that. And then you guys already know that I love to decorate this page, which is the 2x2. And I'm thinking, okay, let's do it. Let's put it together with Halloween feels and stuff like that. So my only thinking is I have no idea what to do first. And like I said, I don't know if this video is going to end up being super long because of it. So I'm just kind of putting my stuff back there, and I am... don't know which is going to take the longest. Okay, so I'm going to move this aside. I wanted to bring in the little bag that I talked about, you guys, on the other video. This is the Artist Loft bags, and this is the one I was telling you where whenever I'm working on a project, I kind of... this was the spare one. I know you saw me pull one out together when we did the other video, so this is my second spare. But in here is where I keep everything Halloween, all the stuff that, like the ephemera for all of these kids and the paper scraps. And then in my little bag right now, right here, this is... I actually did not use my candy corn bag. I ended up using the second bag of this for now. And in here I have like some stickers that were gifted to me by Lila. These are not Halloween whatsoever. I just accidentally put them there. But I have like more journaling cards, just a bunch of like my more tool, some ribbon, Halloween ribbon and things like that. The other bits and pieces, ephemera that I got. Remember, I got like 2 of those. And then my little tickets that I've made. More stickers that Lila gifted me. And just stuff like that. So I do have all my stuff sitting here. I have no idea what we are going to put together. And so I have no idea where to start. I think I'm just gonna go for it. My only thing is, like, it would be so much easier to just print one of these challenges, but do I trust my writing? That's the thing. Like, do I want to print it or do I want to write it myself? And should we do a photo a day? I don't know. I still have to think about that, but that's the idea. Maybe I'll just end up doing it off camera and showing you guys later. So let's start working here. So what should we start with? Hey guys, so I am switching over to speed mode and doing a voiceover because when I tell you this video was so long, you guys, I had 2 hours and 40 minutes of footage to edit, which brings me to my next point that I didn't show you at all. The pocket page right now. I think this is practically as much work as you're gonna see. I'm gonna pull a few things that I think I want to put in there, and then I got sidetracked. I literally got sidetracked because I was looking through my little bag of things that I wanted to use for this pocket page. I was gonna call it a dashboard, and I saw this pretty pocket, and I went ahead and created this pocket, which I think it's sort of on the line of false advertisement, because I said it was going to be the pocket page and then like the challenge page, and I did neither of it. But you will see it at the end of the video. Typical of my videos, if I miss like something, or if I have to cut down the footage because it's too long, I end up showing you guys at the end the final result. So please feel free to skip if you don't want to see this part. But I took this goodie bag. This is a pre-bought goodie bags, and you guys have seen it because I also shared some of these with the Happy Mail, Halloween Happy Mail, that the bags that I kind of put together. But I still kept a couple for myself, and I thought what would help me create pockets, especially because the binder does not come with inside pockets. And I was like, the easiest thing to do is to add these type of pockets that are already pre-bought. You just make a hole punch, put some reinforcers on the holes so that it lasts you a little bit longer, and then just decorate. And that is exactly what I'm doing now. Just adding the word boo, and then it says I put a spell on you, which I thought was super adorable. Plus I think the black and that blood orange looks beautiful with the color combination. And then just added a touch of pink on the flowers. As you can see, I sneaked one behind and then one on the top, and just used it to store my pretty tag that I actually saved for myself. I ended up giving all my tags away, but I actually kept one for myself, which is this one right here, and I just thought it would be perfect. I also felt kind of weird to not decorate the back. I mean, I'm sure it would have been fine to not decorate the back, but I did. And I'm just kind of showing you how simple it was. I ended up using a 3x4 journaling card, just leftover that I had from I think the Simple Stories collection that I used in something. I honestly don't remember. But just added some flowers. I am going to cut them in half because it's a way to make it go a little further. and I'm just gonna put one on the top, put one on the bottom, and then I'm going to bring in a little bit of pink cardstock, and I am going to use that for the background as well. I'm going to be bringing in that same orange tool that I've been using for other Halloween projects, and I'm going to make that as my background just so that it gives me a little bit of glitter. And I know that it's really hard to see on camera, you guys, but trust me, it's there. And I'm going to, what do you call it? Scribble? No, not scribble. Scrabble? I have no idea. Munch together the tool. I'm sure that's not the right word neither, but I'm going to make the tool kind of scribble in the back. If no, not scribble. Geesh, what is the word? I can't think of the word. But I want it kind of mushed up so that it makes it look with a little bit more interest. God, I can't use my vocabulary today at all. You guys know what I mean, right? Like I wanted to create like a layer, but like a puffy layer. I don't know how to explain it. Sorry, like I'm sucking at this today. I'm normally bad, but I'm like really, really bad today. Even at work, I was kind of off. It's just one of those days, you guys. Anyways, I ended up putting the journaling card on the back of the pink cardstock, and that's gonna complete the back of the page, just so that whenever I do decide to flip it over, it's still decorated inside the binder. I know that's like too much, but like I say, I figured that I could use the pocket not only for my tag, but I could actually add receipts, or oh my gosh, there's a really good movie coming out in October that we're gonna go see. Like we've already honed in on it that this is a movie we want to see, and I think it actually coming out on my birthday. So maybe save the receipts or save like a little memorabilia from the month. It's just a nice little way to save memories inside a pocket, like for ticket. You know why? I just remember we also have the state fair in October, so there you go. I could add like little things inside the pocket. I don't know, something cute, whatever. You guys know what I mean. And that's gonna be it for the pocket, you guys. I am going to leave you guys here because in a few seconds, literally a few seconds, I am gonna switch back to the video and you guys are gonna see the final results for the dashboard. Thank you for watching, you guys. See you in a bit. So here is the final look of our little pocket page that we worked on for our October daily. I'm gonna bring just some white so you guys, maybe it's easier to see. Just ended up adding some stickers. Well, actually, let me zoom you guys in. Okay, so here I just ended up adding some of those stickers. This is a chipboard sticker, the little 2x2 paper that already came with the collection. I added some sequin mix here, just tying in the orange, black, and pinks and the wooden accent. The little rosette that I previously made, I thought it would just go perfect there, and then I try to include the tool here as well so you could pull it from there, and also so that it ties in with the tool from the rosette. Some more chipboard, and then just paper that I've trimmed to the size. This pink one, I'm not exactly sold on it just yet, but I'm gonna leave it for now. Basically, I am thinking that if you put a smaller picture just slightly smaller than a 2x2. A little bit of the pink is going to be peeking through the back, like just like a small border, and that's kind of like what I want, like the vision that I have. So I'm hoping that it works out. If not, I'm gonna have to figure something out, but because I don't have the pictures yet, I'm just gonna leave it as it is. I accidentally ripped the side of this pocket page, and I didn't want to go and get a new one, so I basically just hand stitched this side and then this side so that the sequin is able obviously to stay in place. But then I felt like I needed to balance the thread because it was gonna look odd just by itself there. So I ended up sewing, which is kind of hard to see, but I ended up sewing this side as well, just again kind of to balance everything. And then on the reverse, I just added a little bit of ephemera wooden accent here, as you guys can see, and more spaces for more pictures. So that is gonna be it for this video, you guys. It took me forever. It's been like a little bit over an hour just crafting here, and I think the reason why it took forever is because I got sidetracked decorating the pocket here, which I don't know if it's gonna go in here. I may have to switch the order in which I continue to work on this, but it just stores my little tag that I've pre-made. You guys have seen the video. It's out on the Craft with Me Halloween embellishments. So I just thought it would be nice to like leave it in there, and like I don't know, it looks so gorgeous, and look at everything like poking out of it. So yeah, it took too long because I got sidetracked working on this, and it came out gorgeous though. And I didn't accomplish my mission, which was to create like an October challenge and just put like October 1st and then take a photo of, I don't know, pumpkin pie, October 2nd, go get some leaves. I don't know. I think I'm gonna work on that off camera. For now, I am gonna stop and leave you guys here because I'm hungry. I haven't had breakfast and it's almost lunchtime. So I'm gonna go get something to eat, and then maybe later on today I'll film this part, but maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just work on it on my own time because today's a busy day. And I have a lot of after school activities, so I don't see myself being home until like 7. So, and then I gotta get dinner done. Yeah, it's gonna be a mess. So, so I'm not gonna promise that I'm gonna have this done. More than likely, I'll probably work on this off camera. But I just wanted to go ahead and show you. And now that I'm just said that, you know what else I need? I also need an overview of the month of October, so I need to do like a calendar page, but I don't know if I'll film that either. But either way, you guys are gonna see this as I continue to work through it, obviously in all preparation for October. So we'll see how it goes, you guys. But I just wanted to show you our little dashboard. I thought it came out super adorable, and I hope you guys like the pocket idea as well, and we will see you guys on the next video. Have a good one. Bye.